Well, at least I'm home. I can follow my intellectual pursuits. My opera records! Covered in bubble gum! My collection of rare, incurable diseases! Violated! No! My dinosaur droppings! Painted like Easter eggs! Ah! You idiots! You! Both of you! Oh, what I'm gonna do to you. I'm so angry. I'm gonna hit you, and you're gonna fall. And I'm gonna look down, and I'm gonna laugh. But first, I gotta take a whiz. Don't you go anywhere. You stay right here. Right on this spot. I'll be back